Welcome, boys and girls. Today we're going to be dealing with factoring, finding the greatest common factor for the x and the y terms. So what we have, move this here down out of the way. See if I can get my mouse to show up again. We have 27x and 18, or 27x plus 18. What we're going to do is we're going to do that factor tree, okay? Something times something gives me 27. Well, I know that 3 times 9 will give me that. I'll make sure I keep my sign. Now I need to factor this out. Something times something gives me 18. I could do 3 times 6, or I could do 2 times 9. I'm choosing to do 2 times 9. We're done. Right here we're done. We already found the greatest common factor between them, and the greatest common factor between them is the 9. That is what's going to be on the outside, okay? Now, what do I have here? I have a 2y left over. Make sure I put my plus sign. What do I have here? A 3x left over. Put my parentheses in. We're done. That was very, very easy. But what if I had done it the other way, like I started to, 27x plus 18y, and I said, yes, 3 times 9, and then I said, let's go with 3 times 6. Well, you can't say it's the greatest common factor because we haven't finished factoring these out. So what I got to do is I have to continue. Now, 3 times 3 gives me the 9. I need to bring this one down. Same thing here. I need to factor this 6 times. So we end up with a 3 times a 2. Let's bring this down. I have a 3 times a 3. Now when I circle this, I'm going to find that I have 2 3's there. Not 3, but 2. And I have 2 over here. What's 3 times 3? That's the 9 that I'm going to factor out. What am I left with? The 3x. Don't forget your sign. What am I left with over here? The 2y. That's it. All right, let's go to another example. That was actually pretty painless. All right, this time I have 16x plus 40x. So, what if I took and said, I have 2 times 8. I want to continue. This time I have 2 times 4. I want to continue. I have 2 times 2. I need to bring this one down so it's on the same level. I need to bring this one down so it's on the same level. If you'll notice, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. My base is a 2 to the 4th power. I don't need to know that, but I'm just showing you. Over here, what if I said this was 4 times 10? Well, I got to break this one down. That's 2 times 2. Okay. And then what is the 10? It's going to be 2 times 5. Now, when I look at these, I'm done. Oh, let me do the same thing for this one that I did. I have a base 2 to the 3rd times 5 to the 1. You don't have to have the 1 on there, but that is what I would have had. This number is this number right here. Okay? So now let's go ahead and circle the stuff that's like. I have 3 2's here. Do I have 3 here? Yes, I do. I have 3. What is 2 times 2? Well, it's 4 times another 2. That's going to be 8. So what I took out, this part that I took out is an 8. Okay, I factored that 8 out. So I'm going to put that. I'm going to put our parentheses. What was I left with? A 5y. What was I left with over here? A 2x. That's it. All right, guys. I hope that helps. That's finding the greatest common factor when you're factoring for the x and y terms. All right. I'm the meanest teacher in all the land. Remember that. Be good. Work hard. Do the best that you can. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.